warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So first, before I jump into my material today, I would like to tell you who am I. So my name is Erika GMO and I'm from International Program on Science Education from Faculty of Mathematics and Science Education at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. And today I will tell you about the benefits and also the disadvantages of genetically modified organism. As we know that as the working adult, as the busy worker in the world, that you don't have many time to separate which one is the health one and which one is not really health. So now I will tell you the benefits and the disadvantages of GMO itself, and also like what is the GMO. So, do anyone here know what is GMO?
No.
Okay, now GMO. GMO is the genetically modified organism, which means that this is the microorganism that has been modified by the engineering, by the scientists, and also by the transgenic workers. And also, like, if you want to know how the process is, for example, that DNA and also like your nucleus, like your gene, it has been modified. It has been like injected by some substance by the scientists to change the DNA chains in your body. And also now jump into the main material. This is about the benefits. First, this is the insect resistance. It means that everything that contained by the GMO, anything or any food contained by the GMO will be insect resistant. So no one will attract, no insect will attract to that things, to the food that has been injected by the substance of the GMO. And the second one is GMO have longer shelf life, so you can keep the microorganism, the bacteria, or even the food with the long time. For example, you keep the food that already injected by the GMO for 1 week, for 1 month, but they will still in a fresh condition. And the third one is nutritional content can be improved. As we know that every food, every fruit, every vegetable in this world has their own nutrition level. But when the scientists can be injected more the nutrition into the food, which means that it will have the really in a high level more than the average one. And the fourth one, the color of the GMO product is more interesting. So we all are human. We all are attracted by something looks brighter, something looks beautiful, for example. So the GMO gives this facility that makes your food looks more fresh, and it's attract you being want to buy that kind of that. And the next one, the disadvantages of the GMO. We have to know that not only the good one that we have to see, but we have to see also like the negative one, because it can be human needs to be balanced. The first thing that most core foods have some level of genetic modification. So genetic core foods. Do you know what is characterized by the core foods? Okay, the core foods means like the primary foods. So it needs to be like, if genetic modification, it means that you change the genetic modification in that genetic that have to be in it. The second one, that GMO crops can contaminate other fields. It means that, for example, the scientists spread out the chemical substance in the field. So it means that you will gain something bad, or it can be good, or it can be bad. And the third one, GMOs create superfoods. It's way more the ethical of science. We know that there's something that it should be, but it has been changed. So it's really denying the ethical of science. The fourth one, there are the concerns that GMO foods may help to create antibiotic resistance. So any medicine that get into your body will be more resistant. So you will heal in a long time, or you cannot be healed That's a bad one. Okay, so these are the graphics in USA that have been I took from my observe. So these are the green one is the soybean, and the red one is the cotton, and the blue one is the corn. So you have to see like the GMO product is getting increasing from years to years. And the next conclusion is we are as a human, even though we are busy, we are busy with our activity, we need to see that which one can make you being in a right path or in a good path. For example, like this GMO itself, you have to see like which one is the health one for your life and which one is the bad one for your life. And the next, do anyone here have questions for GMO? Okay, yes, Miss Rossi?
Okay, you know my name. My name is Rosie. So, as you have explained the advantages and disadvantages of the GMO, in your opinion, do you think the world would be, better if we don't have GMO?
So, in my opinion, world needs something more challenging. World needs something being improving in science way too, in every way too. So, I do believe that it's not really in one side when we see something, not only in the bad side, but also in the good side. So, which means we still need the GMO to improve our life, quality and quantity. That's it. So, thank you for your guys' good attention. I hope you guys enjoying and really take the information. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.